Hey guys, today we're going to travel to the University of Pennsylvania Law School to attend the annual EJF auction, which is an awesome event where things are auctioned off to benefit all the law students. Come on. Here we just got to University City, driving through Penn campus right now. I really love this campus. Used to push my daughter around doing law school every day. Not the best of weather today, but hey, it's always nice to be going back to your stomping ground, no matter how bad the weather is. Now we'll just have to go find a place to park, and we'll be on our way to the law school. Okay, we just got here. Our traffic wasn't too bad at all. Let's go in and see what's going on. The law school. It's been a while since I've been here. This is always a cool place to be.
Penn Law's campus is located on the northeast corner of Penn's campus. It's 1 block away from a subway station and within walking distance to Center City, Philadelphia, where all the actions are. This is the new Gold King building. Let's go in and see. Here is the GOAT, Penn Law's unofficial or official mascot. And we're here for the EJF auction. Down this corridor is the President's Suite. It also houses the Career Services offices to the left. Straight ahead up the stairs is the library, where many students spend countless hours studying near exam time. This way is one of the 2 student lounges. This is the clock lounge because of the clock. Off to the side is more study area with a foosball table. The courtyard is directly outside, accessible from all 4 sides.
I'm standing on the rooftop of Penn Law. This is such a great campus.
There is Gold King Hall where the main entrance is, and the library is straight across. You can see the courtyard where many great events are held, such as the annual pumpkin carving near Halloween time. And to the right are offices and classrooms. Let's go see.
This is a nice collaboration room in the new Gold King building. Spent a lot of times in here. Actually, I got interviewed by Penn Magazine when I was running for office here. Such a great place. You can see all the bars and restaurants across the street. Spent a lot of times there too. It's a cool campus, really close to some really cool places.
Down this corridor are faculty offices and stairs leading to downstairs classrooms. There are also classrooms upstairs from this floor. And straight ahead is the GOAT Lounge, which we'll visit in a minute. Right now, let's go down to this side of the basement to see the classrooms and the lockers. I have my lockers on this side. And my first class was over here in one of these classrooms. So I was down here quite a bit.
Here is the belly of Penn Law. Here are some classrooms. And here was my locker stall.
Back upstairs is the Goat Lounge. Very relaxing space. Directly behind it are more stairs leading down to the basement on the old building. This side houses the legal clinics, where law students gain actual experience working with real clients. On the opposite side is the wellness suite with more student lockers. Every student gets assigned a locker of his or her own where you can keep their belongings during class.
So this is the basement of Penn Law. I took a final exam in this room because I was too allergic to the pollen outside, so they accommodated me by giving me this room to take the exam in by myself. I ran an air purifier in there. It was pretty cool. They're really nice to me. Let's go back upstairs.
Walking past the Gold Lounge, around the corner is the registrar's office, and then it leads back to the main entrance.
I just finished attending a lecture held by a former American ambassador. So Penn Law has all these great events. This is one of the classrooms. I sat here a lot, including taking exams and taking a GPRE. So this is one of the great classrooms. Really enjoy being here. We have really good facilities.
Back to the main entrance are stairs that leads to downstairs in the new Gulking building. Here we have student study areas as well as individual study rooms. Through these doors, we also have a new moot courtroom. I gotta tell you, this is better than many of the courtrooms I've been to. Off to the other side is a small cafe, appropriately named the Sidebar Cafe.
I'm here at the auction. I got the catalog and my ticket. There we go. And my stuff is in there. I'm going to show you guys later. So this is going to be a cool event. Let's see what's going on.
This is the silent auction, where many donated items are up for auction. And here we have the things I donated. Hopefully we can raise some money for the students. From the Great Hall, we can walk upstairs to the second floor of the Silverman Building. The Silverman Building was the original building that housed the law school. Very nice. And this is one of the upstairs conference rooms. Look how many things are here today. Last year I bid and won quite a few items. Hopefully I can do it again this year. Turnout is pretty awesome tonight. Alright, we're in the auditorium. The auction is about to start. And here are the items in the catalog from me. I guess it's fun to be an entrepreneur sometimes. You gotta put your name on your business and donate stuff.
Good evening, everyone. All right. Let's get ready for a great annual event. This has been going for over 20 years, I think, the EJF annual auction. I'm Ted Ruger, the Dean of the Law School. Next week, if negotiations go well, I will be the Sabra Hummus Dean of the Law School. The official, I know how hard you work when you're looking for a late night snack. Sabra Hummus, the official late night snack of the University of Pennsylvania Charity Law School. So, this is the only serious thing I'll say all night, but it's good news, is that 4 years ago, Penn Law sent about 6% of our graduates took their first job in government public interest. This latest year, it was over 10%. Onward to the bidding. Thank you for your contributions and what you're doing tonight. And it's a little humbling every year that I hand it off to a tax lawyer who is much funnier than me, and that is our alum Rick Tavino. He is the funniest tax lawyer I know, and he's an alumnus and a great supporter, and he's been our auctioneer for the last several years. So thank you, Rick. Thank you all.
We'll start it at $25. $25. Going once, $45. Going for it, $50. You know a bargain when you see it. $50, $55. Oh, the consortium has gotten up. You should have. 50, 60, 65, 65, 70, 70, 75. Why are you so no? Do you know that you're sitting near the second funniest tax lawyer in America? $70 going once, $70 sold for $70. Number 223, $70. Thank you very much.
$25, 60, 25.
All right, so the auction is finished. I won one thing. Did not win the Eagles game. It was too rich for my blood. But also, it was at the Giant Stadium. Didn't really want to go there. So this has been a great evening at Penn Law. And I'm standing here next to my lucky tree that I touch every day before I come to class because it's lucky. That concludes my visit to Penn Law. And such a great time was had. It's time to go home. I look forward to coming back again. See you soon from Penn Law.